How you doing? Professor Hiccup here. The other or last week it was, I actually put up a video asking for requests because I had lost my list. So I'm hitting up the requests now. The first one we have is a request from Phil John, who said any Rio Brothers video. So I went and I tried to find one that I didn't do before, and we're going to be doing the Rio Brothers, Barbara Ann, Surfin' USA, Beach Boys covers. All right, so let's check out, see what this is all about. But before we get into this, do me a favor. If you're new to this channel and you like the video, feel free to subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. And not only that, but it's good for your health, it's good for the environment, and it's getting approved. So I'm just saying, it's a win win for everyone. All right, so let's get into this. This is the Rio Brothers, Barbara Ann, Surfing USA. Now, if by chance you are a Rio Brothers fan, I've already done a bunch of other videos by them. So do me a favor, search them out on the channel, check them out. All right, here we go.
Ba 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 Barbaran. 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 You gotta rock and roll and rock and really Barbaran. Ba 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 Barbaran. Went to the dance looking for a man's. Saw Barbaran, so I thought I'd take a chance with Barbaran. Ba 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 Try better Lou, try Mary Sue, but I know you wouldn't do it. Ba ran, ba 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 ran, ba 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 ran. You gotta rock and roll and rock and really ba ran, ba 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 ran, ba ran, ba ran.
Let me pause just for a second here. So we know they're really, really good at the Beach Boys. Or not Beach Boys, I'm sorry, the Beatles. They can really do the Beatles. We know they're really, really good at the Bee Gees. We've seen the Eagles, we've seen Dire Straits, and now we're seeing the Beach Boys. And these guys, they can cover them all. They sound just as good as the originals, and it's great to see these young kids doing the oldie stuff. It's just absolutely fantastic. I'm really enjoying this. They're doing a really good rendition of this.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be surfing like California. You've seen where the bag is, who write your songs to, a bushy, bushy blonde hair, serving USA. You got yourself a like this, side outside USA, inside outside USA, side outside USA, side outside USA, all side outside USA, side outside, everybody's got surfing, surfing USA. Well, we're planning a route, we gotta take.
All right, pause for a second here. Now, people of my age, we kind of grew up, and the Beach Boys were just always there on the radio nonstop. I can't say I'm a Beach Boys fan, meaning I don't know all their music and I don't know all the band members. Brian Wilson, a few of them, but I really am not like in tune with the whole band of who's who. But they were super influential, and they are a major part of the American sound, especially at that time era. And I absolutely love the way they're doing this. They're doing a great job of it.
Well, we're planning a route we're gonna take real soon. We're rocking down on surfboard. We can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer. We're so far to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. And I can tease and swan. We're singing by the same. Surfing USA. Everybody's got surfing, surfing USA. Everybody's got surfing, surfing USA. Yeah, everybody's got surfing, surfing USA. Yeah, everybody's got surfing, surfing USA.
It was really good. I enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, these kids haven't not disappointed me yet. Everything I've seen by them, I've enjoyed it. They do mostly covers. I don't know if there isn't anything original on their channel. Let me know if there's anything original I should check out by them, whether it's on a different channel or their channel. But yeah, these guys, I'll keep coming back to them here and there because I always enjoy them, and they always make me in a good mood. So that's a good thing. It's a win-win for everyone. But right now, I'm going to say that's a wrap. Oops, hit the microphone.